What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as we can see, it's holding support like an absolute beast in reality. Looks as though it is actually forming up some kind of coiling pattern here. Maybe, if we just zoom into the 1 hour, for example, you can get a little idea of what we're talking about here. You can see we've actually, potentially, we were forming, a lot of people were saying, looking something like this. We've got a flag, and if that was the case, obviously it looks as though we've actually broken out of the flag and back tested it. And if that was the case, I mean, just do anticipate if Quant does start to come back up to these levels here at around the, 360-ish, 360, what is that, 367-ish, all the way up to around that 385-ish area, something like this. You could be expecting a breakout because this looks like it could be a bull flag potentially. Basically with your flagpole looking something like this. And then with your price target coming upwards, a very, very nice price target indeed, coming up to around, $516 if that was the case. So just do be aware of that, because it does look as though, Quant is retracing and coiling up nicely for something there, isn't it? But if we take a look at our daily time frame here again, it looks really clear to us that, Quant is basically the counter trade to the market, isn't it? Every time, the whole time over the past few months, the market has been dipping, Quant has just been going up. And when the market's been going up, Quant has actually been going sideways, which is really interesting. And just very, very fascinating, the price action of this crypto right now. But you can see, when we had the crash in May, we come down for 1 day, down to around this $23 level. We bounce all the way back up into our range. The range looking something like this for Quant. Realistically, maybe something like this. The range has just been respected fully. And then once we break out here, we come all the way up to around, what is this, the $89 level. Really, really strong. Obviously, we form our channel, which we were talking about here. Forming our channel, we're trading our way up all this whole time, with the 20 and the 55 acting as strong support. Looking really, really bullish. Also, this previous all-time high here, at that time at around $65, acting as support. Flipped into support here after being resistance, really bullish. We absolutely run away with things here. We actually break out of our channel, which is crazy bullish. And then we chop in and around the channel for a while, and then we fully reclaim it and have another crazy pump with the market actually dipping, with Bitcoin essentially going down. We actually had Quant just absolutely going to the upside like a beast, which is obviously, amazing. And, it's quite clear that Quant is showing a lot of strength, isn't it? Realistically, Quant is just absolutely blowing everything out of the water right now. We can see if we throw some extensions on here, we can see that Quant is actually doing really, really well. And there's nothing else for it really. You can see it's just exceeding all expectations here. It's hitting, potential extensions on our Fibonacci, but it's probably exceeding them considering how bullish that we are looking here. So things looking really, really strong. Do some short-term price predictions, and we can see here, Quant looks as though it's coiling up for another move, and it remains to be seen which direction it would go. If it did fall to the downside, we've got the 20 coming in here, probably at around that $280-ish level if we did roll over something like this. And obviously, that previous channel high here, coming in at around, what is this, the 238 level, which would be a strong level of support as well, we would think, in coalescence with this previous swing high here. And if we do start to pump, as we said, we do have some potential next targets for the next little move for Quant, looking something like this. If we break through, we've got the 127, 141, 168, and the 127 extensions here, coming in at around, that 120-ish level. We've got one at 140. Oh my god, I can't even speak today, can I? We've got the 420 level. Blaze it. I couldn't resist, sorry. At the 127 level, we've got the 141 coming in at around 440. We've got the 161 coming in at around 468. And then we've got that big 227 extension. If we do start to pump up here again, at around $570, which would be, a very nice next target for Quant. But I do think, considering how overextended it is now, it's getting very overextended. We'll probably expect a bit of a, consolidation at least, or a bit of a retracement before another pump up. So those would be our short-term price predictions. And as we said, We do really think that Quant, $1,000 at least by the end of the bull run, in reality, probably more like $1,500, maybe even $2,000, depending on how much, fundamental news it'll get, which there is a lot coming. So we'll see how much of a pump it does get off that. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.